I'm Adam Grubb, and we're inside the Domino 5 home here, built by Franklin at the International Builder Show. We're at ProBuilder Show Village. I'm with Francesca Vaughn from Armstrong Flooring. Francesca, this, whenever we think of a home, you always think of a couple things: the bathrooms, the kitchens, and the flooring, right? That is the first thing people see when they come in the home. And with Armstrong, you guys have not just incredible showcase of your flooring, but you have really brought some new products to market, which, thinking of new products in flooring doesn't make a whole lot of sense, but you guys do that all the time.
We do, and we're super excited about this project. We're using our Empower flooring in this home. So this is a long length, wide width plank with our Diamond 10 technology coating. So what that means is it's super durable, stain resistant, scratch resistant. So especially with COVID, more people are in their homes, they've got kids running around, they're working from home. So this product really stands up to the test of time. So it was a great choice for builders in the market today.
And that's one of the main things, durability in flooring, because it is not just walked on, but it's dinged, it's thrown on, it's lived on, right? It's not just for a model home. So how do you guys do that? And when you talk about your coatings, when you talk about your technology, flooring, there's more technology in flooring than we would probably ever know. For a builder, what do they need to know about Armstrong Flooring?
So we really have the highest testing standards in the industry. We do on average 53 different tests on our floors to make sure they perform, they stand up. There's no callbacks for builders, that not only the builders, but the consumers. They're never gonna have an issue with their floor. And what's great about this product is too, we know timelines are constrained, people are building tons of homes every day, so this product goes in fast, it's dimensionally stable, doesn't need acclimation, so it arrives on that job site, you can install it that day, and it goes in quick. So with tight labor, it's a great solution for new home construction.
And those are some of the things you don't even think about, right? Because for years, that's how it's been.
Yep.
You have to bring flooring in, you have to let it breathe, you have to let it sit, you have to let it be acclimated to the climate that it's in. So durability, quickness to install, but then the look. So the aesthetics of your flooring, from colors to the different sizes, there's opportunities for any type of home, whether it be small or big, mansions or a prefab home on a parking lot. There's so much that it can go.
Yeah, I mean, the floors we have today, you can't tell that they're not hardwood, right? So they're lighter colors, the long lengths, the wide widths. I mean, it's hard to tell it's not the real thing. And our design team does a fabulous job making sure that it's just as real as the real thing. And we definitely, see more and more builders replacing hardwood altogether for floors like this, because they really go in with no issues, they're quick, and they perform well for that and use customer.
And that's really the main thing that a builder wants. They don't want somebody coming back to them all the time saying, hey, my flooring this, my flooring that. So durability is massive, but also just the look and the aesthetics and the technology behind it is phenomenal. Francesca Vaughn from Armstrong Flooring. For more information on them and all their flooring that you can find out about is armstrongflooring.com. Francesca, thank you so much for being part of ProBuilder Show Village here. We're in the home built by Franklin. It's called the Domino 5 International Builder Show. We're at ProBuilder Show Village.